But first, let's take a look around the charger itself. The Omega are the world's first and smallest 200 watt and 100 watt gallium nitride USB-C chargers, and this is the first second generation gallium nitride charger that solves the heat and accurate power distribution of first generation gallium nitride chargers. This is something that I've personally experienced when using the first generation chargers, so it's good to receive the proper power distribution for all my devices. This charger is also the world's first to incorporate a graphene membrane for advanced heat reduction. This charger is compatible with all Apple devices including the 16-inch MacBook Pro, as well as all Android devices with Quick Charge 3.0, Warp Charge, SCP, Adaptive Fast Charging, and FCP charging, so you should have no compatibility issues with your devices. The Omega charger also has connector plugs for the AS, AU, EU, and UK, so you've got worldwide compatibility. When taking a look at the I/O for the Omega charger, things get really interesting. Here you've got two USB-C ports with individual 100 watt power output, and then you've got two USB-A ports with Warp Charge and Quick Charge 3.0 support. And with these 4 ports, you can simultaneously charge 4 devices. This could be two 16-inch MacBook Pros and 2 iPhone 11s, or 2 iPhone 11s and 2 iPad Pros, you name it. It's also crazy to see that this charger is smaller than a credit card and only weighs 220 grams, which is surprising for how much power this thing packs. And something I've never seen before in a charger like this is this 180-degree foldable outlet prong, and this is extremely convenient for being able to change its orientation based on wherever you are. So you could still plug this into a power strip on the floor or an outlet on the wall. Overall, this is a great option for those looking for a really reliable all-in-one charger for your mobile devices. And if you're interested in picking up an Omega charger, limited early birds are available now for only $45 for the 100 watt and $75 for the 200 watt version. Thank you all for watching, and thanks again to Chargeasap